Here we are in Panama City. We've got this cute little 2-bedroom that kind of feels like your own little fishing camp with a dock.
And what's so great, you've got that for him and a jaunt 15 minutes to the beach for her.
Love it, let's go.
Without you, so I'm waiting for the sun to go.
Open concept kitchen goes into the living room and has plenty of natural light. It feels cozy and has plenty of space.
So I'll wait until the sun goes down.
A wonderfully expansive main bedroom for this 2-bedroom home. It can be used as a bedroom or another man cave. A perfect spot for the whole family. So for more information, you know the drill. Look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.